Hello, welcome to tutorial for your channel. In this video I will show you how you can change the location of your YouTube channel. So in older version of YouTube Studio, you click on customize channel and it will go to channel customization and you will get the option to change the country from here. But in this version of YouTube 2022, you will not get the country option from here. You have to go to the setting and then you have to go to channel and then you will get the country option here. From here you can change your country to any other country and then you can save it. Alright, so now when I go and refresh my channel, it will be changed. As you can see, it is changed, but with this option you still does not get the option to remove the country. Like if you don't want that any country be shown here, the earlier version of YouTube Studio have the option of none, so you select none and then you can click on save. The country would be, the location would be removed, but in this version of YouTube you does not get the none option. So to do that we have to go to this website. This is the official website of google.com YouTube, and you have to scroll down till you find update branding setting. You click on this icon here, you will see some code. Remove some code, remove this default language and remove description, and instead of description write country and remove this is a short description from here and leave it blank. So if you leave it blank, that's mean when you refresh your page you will see nothing, you will not get any country. But if you write a country name like I write, then it will update to that country. So instead of going to the setting, you can do it from here also, but for now I want to show you how to remove any country information, so keep it empty. By using this method you will also remove if you have any description or any other details here. So you can see I don't have any description and another detail, but if I execute this command, I've run this command, it will remove every single thing from here. So you should go to your channel customization and back up your description and other thing, so later on you can add it back and save it again. Next you need your channel ID, so go to your channel customization and scroll down till you find your channel URL, and this at the end of your channel URL you will find this link, this code. This is your channel ID. Copy this and paste it here. Alright, so as you can see my channel ID is added and the country is blank. Then you have to scroll down till you find execute and click on this. Now it will ask you which channel you want to update, so you should select the same channel. If you select the wrong channel, it will give you an unauthenticated error 403. It will show 403, so you should select the right channel. After that, if in that channel you have multiple channel, so then it will ask you to select that channel. So I will select that channel, then it will show you this permission dialog box which say this will allow Google API Explorer to see, edit and permanently delete your YouTube videos, rating, comment and caption. So you don't need to worry about this. It requires this permission to customize your YouTube channel, and this is from Google APIs, so you should not worry. Click allow. So as you can see, I got 200. That means our country has been removed, and if I refresh my YouTube channel, it will remove the country. So as you can see, it is removed. Then you can go to customization and add your description and publish it, and then refresh it. So it is added. Alright, so if you want to change the country, you should go to the channel setting, and if you want to remove the country, you should go to this link which I will give in the description and do these changes. First, remember to back up your description and other details from your about section so you may not lose it. And if this tutorial helped you solve this problem, please give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this about your channel. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.